So we made up a game, and it's a sight word and a letter scavenger hunt, but we have two because Madison's learning all of her letters. So I put all these letters on the wall, and then Gavin's learning sight words, so I put a bunch of his sight words on the wall. And then I wrote on cards their sight words and their letters and hid them all over the house. And so what they're gonna do is try to find the cards. There are some. They're gonna try to find the cards and then go and put them on the wall with the matching sight word. And then if they get them all, they might get a prize. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
When I say go, you're gonna go find your cards and come get a piece of tape right here and then go put it on the wall.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Go.
Go.
Gavin. Where's the?
Okay. Here, we're gonna put this on your card like this.
Put it.
We'll find R and put it on R. Where do you think R is? No? Does that look like R? That's K. Let's keep looking. Where's R? Do you see R down here? Looks like this. Do you see it up here? Okay, put it on there. Look, put it right here. Put it right there. Okay, go find another one.
I can't find this one. Oh yeah, it's at the very end.
What is that word? You have to.
You.
You have to say the words when you find it.
I found one.
Okay.
I found it.
What letter is that?
Oh, I know.
What letter is that? Do you
Oh,
know? Put it there. What letter? Can you tell me the letter?
Q.
Q. Good job. Okay, find another one.
Big.
See, finding big.
S. I found S.
Okay. Here. Let me see. Turn it over. Put it on there.
What? When?
Good one.
I know, Mommy. I need to know. S.
Good one. She got it. Oh, turn this. I'll get it.
Okay,
Go find it. Here, turn it. Madison, turn it over this way.
I will.
There you go. All right. We'll find another one.
What is this, Mommy? I don't know. L.
You gotta sound it out.
Owl.
All.
Oh. I'm looking for all.
Oh, you almost missed it.
Found it.
All right, G.
There's more in here.
Turn it over and put it on there, on the top. Very close.
I
Nope.
found it. When?
Good job,
I
Madison.
don't
Put
know
another
what
one.
it is. What?
Wa. Ot.
What?
No. Close. What sounds like what? What does it sound?
What?
What? Right.
Found it.
Oh, he's in the kitchen. Oh, we found another one. Tape. Need some tape. What letter is this, Madison? What letter is this?
S. Bam.
No. What letter do you think this is?
I know. Oh.
Do you know? Y.
Why?
Go find that Y. What, Gavin?
From.
Close. F.
From.
Right. Right here.
I got it. I got it, Mommy.
Oop, I told you. Oops, I shouldn't. Not supposed to
Right
tell you.
there.
No, that's close. Keep looking down here. Let's go down this way.
Oh gosh, this was hot. Wait here.
All right.
I can do it.
Go get another one. It's all this on the floor. Ooh, they're getting close.
Forward.
Whew.
Messed up the lamp though.
Uh-oh, got our lamp messed up. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you got it. What's that letter? Do you know?
S.
N. That's
N.
an N. Go find the N on the wall.
Okay.
N like no. N sounds like no.
Where is
Nope,
it?
that's an M. Close. There you go. You got it. Okay, go get another one.